Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing credentials and choosing a client. This gets you into the transfer flow quickly. Enter server, username, password, and port because incorrect details block connections. Once done, select passive or active mode based on firewalls. Passive usually works behind NAT. Make sure your client's transfer type is set binary for non-text files, ASCII for text, so files stay intact. You'll now initiate the connection and watch the status pane for successful login messages. You're in the middle of the process, transfer execution. Navigate to the local folder with your files and the remote target directory because correct placement avoids overwrites. Drag and drop or queue multiple files to maintain order. Alternatively, use // get in command line to script repeatable transfers. Monitor progress and transfer speed to spot stalls, and once files finish, set file permissions with chmod when needed so scripts run or files are readable. If integrity matters, compare sizes or checksums to confirm successful copies. You wrap up by verifying and cleaning up. Check sizes, timestamps, or run an MD5/SHA-1 checksum to ensure integrity, because silent corruption can happen. Once verified, gracefully close the FTP session and save transfer logs if you need an audit trail. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip is to toggle passive versus active mode and inspect firewall rules or server logs. Most failed transfers are network or permission related. Finally, reattempt a small test transfer before large batches to confirm fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.